The orchid journey begins. Carefully divide the rhizome. Use a rich bark medium. Roots establish and grow. Controlled misting aids growth. Beautiful blooms emerge. A stunning display. Jasmine is loved for its fragrance. Propagate it with a stem cutting. In a few weeks, roots will develop. Soon, you will have beautiful blooms.
Begonias are easily propagated. Cut a healthy leaf at the stem. Make small nicks across the main veins. In weeks, new shoots emerge. Enjoy the stunning, vibrant blooms. Chamomile is a gentle medicinal herb. Its journey begins with tiny seeds in rich soil. Within weeks, delicate, feathery leaves begin to emerge. Salvia rosmarinus. Take a 6-inch cutting. Use well-draining soil. Roots in 3 to 8 weeks. Need sun and water. Dense, aromatic leaves. Ready to harvest. Propagation of time is easy. Take a cutting just below a node. Place it into moist, rich organic soil. In a few weeks, a new plant will emerge. Water and sunlight help it grow strong. Soon, it is ready for harvesting. This is Cucumis sativus. In just 3 to 10 days, seeds germinate. Soon, vibrant yellow flowers appear. Enjoy your fresh cucumber harvest.
Pepper seeds germinate in just 7 to 14 days. They thrive in rich soil with careful watering. Soon, you will harvest vibrant, fresh peppers.
Meet Lactuca sativa, an easy crop to grow. They sprout in just 10 days. With tender leaves forming, they need constant care. Ready to harvest. Meet Ocimum basilicum, or basil. Plant the seeds gently in organic soil. In just a few weeks, vibrant leaves appear. Regular trimming encourages lush growth. Enjoy.
To propagate a rose, take a clean stem cutting. With care, roots will develop, creating a beautiful new bloom.
Mint is incredibly easy to grow. Take a cutting just below a node. Roots will emerge in just a few weeks. Then, transfer it to rich soil. Soon you'll have a lush, aromatic plant.
Tulips belong to the genus Tulipa. They propagate via bulb division. Plant them in rich organic soil. Roots establish in 4 to 12 weeks. Provide consistent water and care.
To propagate aloe vera, first identify and separate a healthy pup from the mother plant. Plant it in well-draining soil with plenty of bright sunlight and minimal watering.
Lavender propagation begins with a healthy stem. A precise cut unlocks new growth. Place it in well-draining soil. In weeks, roots take hold, and soon, a beautiful aromatic bloom. The snake plant, or Dracaena trifasciata, is perfect for beginners. Leaf cuttings root in 4 to 12 weeks. Soon, a new plant emerges.
Cacti are remarkably easy to propagate. Always let the fresh stem cutting dry and callus. In a few weeks, new growth begins to appear, producing beautiful, vibrant desert flowers.
Propagating pothos is incredibly easy. Just make a clean cut below a leaf node. Roots will develop in just a few weeks. Soon, you'll have a lush, climbing vine.